master suite is a completely private, luxury-filled space. In here, I've given it a dramatic, high-contrast design. I wanted to be a touch masculine in this room, so I covered the entire king bed with this pinstripe fabric. And in back of the bed, I added this dramatic wall of tailored drapery panels. It almost adds a touchable layer of architectural detail. Speaking of architectural detail, for the entire room, I added these wall panels, which mimic the size and the shape of the windows. In this space, I added this banquette, which we would normally see in a dining room. This banquette is kind of serious in how it's styled, so I added a touch of whimsy in these pendants. Its larger sister and version is in the center of the room, grounding the entire bedroom. This master suite gets even more luxurious with this extremely spacious closet. This walk-in closet is almost 200 square feet, and there is storage that lines either side of the walls. There's even space for 3 ottomans in here, which is the perfect space to take off your shoes and decide what you're gonna put on for the day. And there's tons of smart storage in here, like a place to lock away all your jewelry, a roll-out ironing board, and smart storage solutions for clothing you don't need all year round. On the other side of the bedroom is this super posh master bath. In here, I wanted a clean, high-contrast spa-like design. There's a huge walk-in shower, and I custom designed the tile to look like stripes in varying widths. It's a fully programmable shower with not only a massive rain shower head, but we have 2 separate wall-mounted shower heads and 6 body sprays. There's also double vanities in here, and sitting on top of them are these really cool asymmetrical sinks. The mirrors over each vanity are smart mirrors. They're voice enabled, so you can check the traffic, the weather, and your makeup at the same time. I carried that asymmetrical theme right on over to the tub. This tub was the perfect non-traditional shape to fit right in the corner of this bathroom. This master suite is definitely a space you could happily get lost in.